Yo, what's up everybody? Jaysin Static back again with another video, and today I have something that I haven't done in such a long time. An unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in a long time, and I used to have a lot of fun with them. They didn't get a whole lot of traffic, but I had a lot of fun with them, and I have a feeling this one might get a little traffic on it. Maybe, just maybe. Because the box that I got is right here. And it is from a company called Free Speech Systems. And it's out of Austin, Texas. And they are a supplier for a big multimedia firm. And as soon as you see the item, you'll know exactly who it's from. So, with that being said, I'm going to start to cut into this box with my trusty letter opener. Hopefully it will cut this tape. I don't know if it will. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But we'll just find out real quick. These things happen to be a little dull sometimes. They can cut paper, but tape, not so much. Let's see here. There we go. There we go. Let's see if it can cut across here. So, what's everybody been up to? How y'all been doing? I've been doing good. Just been sitting here waiting to get this package because I really wanted it, because it's going to be something that I do for the show that I do on Thursdays called Shooting the Shit. That show is where me and a bunch of buddies and friends and stuff like that just go hang out. We talk on Google Hangouts and we shoot the shit about whatever we want, whether it be politics, reselling, cars, games, movies, wrestling, whatever it is, whatever comes in our mind, we talk about it. It's just a bunch of guys hanging out and having fun. And I'd advise you all to go check that show out Thursday nights at 10:30 p.m. Central Time, right here on this channel. It's called Shooting the Shit. But anyways, I got the box open, and let's see what I got. Looks like there's a couple of shirts in there. Everybody knows that I'm a t-shirt junkie, and I love t-shirts. So with that being said, I'm just gonna show you the first one. First shirt is Big Brother. Goes off the movie 1984, Big Brother's Watching. And as you can see, down there on the bottom, it says Infowars.com. This is the first time I've ever bought anything from Infowars and or Alex Jones. And, you know, for the most part, I like the message that they put out, you know, because you know, there's some things that I don't like that he says, but other than that, you know, I enjoy what he says. And most importantly, not just what he says, there's several other guys on his news station that does straight up legit good ass reporting, like David Knight and Owen Schroyer and the litany of other people that go on that show. Anyways, here's the back of it. It says the answer to 1984 is 1776. Infowars.com. Anyways, like I said, you know, I wouldn't say that I agree with their message wholeheartedly, because I don't. I don't believe in agreeing with anybody's message wholeheartedly, because people have ulterior motives sometimes. And you should always question everything that everybody says. Here's the second shirt. And this is my favorite one, because I actually do agree with this one. Socialism. This being socialism. Essentially, you make the money, but socialism holds you up for it. I'm not going to expand on that any further, since this is an unboxing video, and it's made just for fun. But, yeah. you should defend yourself, and you should be able to have and keep the money that you make. That's the second shirt. Okay, next thing I got was a bunch of stickers, ideas are bulletproof. There we go. Ideas are bulletproof. We the people. If we suppress our speech and we suppress what's in our heart, then we no longer have our own ideas. It's ideas that other people put into us that we expunge on. Think about that one. Other than that, I got some brain force. I like to try things, new things sometimes. So, I figured why not? Why not try it? There ain't no harm in it. Alpha Power. And if you would like to know what these are and what they do, I will leave a link to the Infowars store, and you can go check them out for yourself and or look them up. If you're interested in anything, I also got this, Super Male Vitality. Other than that, that's all I got. If you want to go check out any of these items, I will leave a link in the description for the Infowars store where I got all this stuff from. If you want to go check them out for yourself, maybe purchase something if you've seen something that you like. I am not sponsored by Infowars at all in this video. This is just for my own doing. I like what they do. I like cool t-shirts, and to me those are some pretty cool t-shirts, and I definitely support this message right here. Ideas are bulletproof, people, and we need those ideas no matter what they are. Other than that, I appreciate you all for coming by. I thank you all for coming by, and I love you. Be good to each other, and be good to yourself. Say what you mean, because you don't just mean it in here, you also mean it in here most of the time. I love you all. I appreciate you all. Peace out.